Let's create a paper bag in under 2 minutes. Delete the default cube, add a plane and shape it similar to a paper bag. The top should be wider than the bottom. Then, subdivide it a few times and select these faces. Then, assign a vertex group to them. Add a cloth modifier and enable pressure. Set it to 10 to 20 depending on how you want the bag to be. Set the gravity to 0 under field weights, and remember to set the pin group under shape to the vertex group we created. Remember to add a solidify modifier as well and apply it. And watch the magic happen. Add one level of subdivision surface and start messing with the geometry to make it more realistic. Select these faces on the bottom and using loop tools select flatten. Mess up the geometry a bit more using proportional editing. Then using the add-on images as planes I add my label. Scale it up to fit the bag and subdivide it a few times. Add a shrink wrap modifier and set the object to the bag. Set it to project and move it to the bag. Add a bit of offset and we're good to go. Add textures and create your scene. And there you have it.